Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Realtek Audio cannot connect to RPC service, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolutions. The first solution is to run the audio troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, scroll down and then select troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. The next solution is to update Realtek audio drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for audio inputs and outputs. Right click on each driver and update them no matter how many you have, even if they're input or output, because audio devices are all interconnected with each other. The next solution is to uninstall and reinstall Realtek Audio. So, how would you do that? Simply search for Device Manager, expand it just like we did earlier. Right click on the device and select uninstall device. Click on action and select scan for hardware changes. Do it for all the drivers. And lastly, install pending Windows updates. Right click on the start button. Select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows update tab on the list on the left hand side. Select check for updates in the right pane to install all the latest updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.